Yeah. You know. Man, the babu lambaha. I'm not gonna lie to you, ndilambile, because I've been here. You know, man, I don't even have to introduce this show anymore. Nyayazi. It's yet another episode of his STENA. Big X is chilling. And like I said before on other episodes, but I always bring you the juiciest. No, not mongi mali, not fusion, 100% juice. It juicy yodwa. We have a very interesting episode namhlanje. Ndithetha nifunda man. Like I said, I've been here the whole day. Dilambe spiritually, dilambe physically, dilambe physically. Hey, nilambile. Let me not make this intro long. Betuna, we have the juices. Yes, but we have manjani. So tati break class buya sizawuva man. But what is this episode about? Ndiyabulela, siyabuya. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. Thank you for joining us again. Siphinde salapha betuna on this episode of STENA. Man, ndithe xa ndiyifunda le ndabona man, this is not normal. It's not the usual. But ke mangenzi kakhulu, mangabe ndithetha kakhulu. We're going to invite the guest, and then guest is xelba kwenza kantoni, what's really going on and all that stuff. Eli, kamsondeze Eli. Hello sisi.
Yebo.
Unjani ndozeka?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Anami ndiyaphila. Igama ngubani?
Igama lami nguthandeka.
Thandeka.
Yes.
Oh. Thandeka. Alright Thandeka. Mandithe xa ndiyifunda lento sibhale yona man, as I'm sitting and looking at it. Hey. It's not normally on this show that girls, they come and say, okay, I've got this to say, I have to tell this to my boyfriend or whoever. It's not normal. So incha indoba indombazana, and I applaud you for that. Thank you for that. But to ababukeli that are out there watching you, like, why are you here? Can you tell us what's going on, and what would you like to say?
Oh, okay. I do have a problem, and ngifuna ukuconfessa ku-boyfriend yami. Because there's this thing eyenzakalayo between mina nomngani wakhe ne-friend yakhe. So we've been seeing each other since other things. So I just want to confess today.
Since other things, zindoni other things.
Oh, I'm talking about
Sex,
yeah, yonke le.
Oh, all right. What I want to ask, how long have you been dating your boyfriend yako, the main boyfriend?
I think it's been two years.
2 years. And then this new guy?
I met him. Okay, my boyfriend, he's the one who introduced me to mngani wakhe.
Yeah.
So I think this thing has been going maybe for about 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months. So now, what do you want to achieve with this? Ufuna ukohlukana ne boyfriend yako and continue with this guy, or what's going on?
Oh, bengifuna uhlukana naye, because the problem now with
Isibindi Thandeka, you are brave.
Sengikhethe ama feelings for umngani wakhe. So at least if ngimtshele ngiconfess kuye bese uyazi about relationship yethu, yabo ngabona ngazuthi ngiyacheat or something.
Yo. Nisvele betuna. There's nothing I need to say. There's nothing I need to say. What I can do right now is in baleke ndiyotya nje kancinci ndibuye ndihluthi, because it looks like it's gonna be busy. We've managed to track your boyfriend and everyone, and he's actually gonna come in here and you're gonna tell him uba kwenzeka ntoni yourself. Mandiyotya ndiyabuya ningayi ndawo mandiyotya. Big X is chilling. You yo siphinde salapha nibuyile nigqiba ukutya andihluthi yebethuna I told you andizina fusion andizina mongima I bring 100% juice. So right now without further ado sizawuzisa uboyfriend Lee kamzise man ndiyacela kamzise umntakwethu kamzise. Shosho Buddha, okay?
Yeah, give me that.
I'm good, Namjaya. Uyamazi sis?
Yeah, this is my girlfriend.
All right. Ubani kama lako? Sorry for not asking.
Kalibitso ke Itumeleng.
Itumeleng. All right. So uthandeka elapha noba uthukile uthenga hayi manzi cameras ezitheni what's going on. Yeah. So uthandeka njengibe lapha she feels like hey kodwa niyafanelana man. You guys look how cute you guys look together. Yeah. But ke ankolapho uthandeka has something to tell. I would tell you myself but I don't feel like I have the right to do that. We just help people by mathethe into bazifuna uthetha. We are a show called STENA. Okay. You're gonna get what it is about as we continue the conversation. But ke and collabo Thandeka, can you please tell Ubuti why he's here? What's really going on?
Okay.
Lendo beyithetha kumi ithetha pa kuyo ungashiyi nenye detail.
Okay. Itumeleng ngibizile ne because I wanted to confess. So umngane wakhe yamazi mos. Khumbula last time sihlangana epartini wangikhombisa yena.
Yeah.
Umngane wakho khona into like bese iyenzeka phakathi kwami naye. Yeah, khona into beyenzeka phakathi kwami naye.
Yeah.
So indaba zama sexy bese
Sisi suthi kukho into ibisenzeka phakathi kwami nawe. Ngena in details or if you don't get into details I'm going to get into details myself. So
because kuyawutla the sex and stuff di ngitsanya nhleke mfethu.
And then not like khona into beyenzeka iseyenzeka even now.
Ha.
Even now. So ngibizela
le best friend yakhe.
Yes.
Onokobalana le best friend le have wena le best friend yakhe.
Yeah.
Angithi like dala ngi
Mara mfethu ngasinchini sona.
No, bengizama ukukhuluma nawe sometimes but then bonganginaki.
Revele sharp so rile ko party go le sharp go introduce go ga o qave then bontshuna so.
And the indaba iqale that day. The time introduce kuye partyini and then ngiyabona na bonganginikeza isikhathi sakho. Like bonganginiki attention kokuqala. Awusanginaki mangizama ukukhuluma nawe ngathi indaba yami awusayingena awusangithathi serious so and then umngane wakho ke wa come through.
Okay, guys, let me ask this. So you saying lendo iqale partyini on that day of the party that's when you guys started fornicating or ukudlana?
Yes.
Brother, how does this make you feel knowing that your friend did this to each area? Like, how do you feel?
I feel so sad. I enjoy great because nale best friend ta ka la dile mo really to support her and stuff. So ke makete I tune into so. Let's expect from best friend ta ka.
Yeah.
If nearly some other guy.
It would have been.
Yeah, now you're not only best like come on, Joe.
I understand, Jam. I understand. So, what are some of the things that you like with best friend Yake that you don't like about him? Like, what does his boyfriend bring into the table that he does not bring?
Oh, unginiki attention kokuqala uyangina ungikhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda. And another thing une le energy engiyifunayo. Yabo the
energy
like embedeni yabo into ezinjalo. Unginika le energy engiyifunayo but then while Itumeleng yena I don't know like bese
sorry Itumeleng, has she ever complained to you about your sexual performance by ayambi kahle?
Ke khona ke utlwa like today.
Hayibo
Wona sanchele lokho ke
dintsha like
dintsha.
ezokutshela direct but then bengisho lapho nalapho. And another thing ukuthi uyangicontrola. Maybe embedeni ngizoba like can I please do maybe woman on top or something.
Oh, he wants his way all the time.
Yes.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, now.
Mara unchayele moskhore dintsha ngo sanchele.
So basically saying he does not want to explore.
Yeah.
Like other things.
Joe. Ngasinchuni so.
Yakuva sisi, and as much as I feel you also, brother. But what's going on is now what we did, we also reached out to the best friend. Since you gave us the details, and we reached out to the best friend, and he's here. Yabo, ngiyacela nje relax. We gonna bring him in. Yabona, babukeli, it's STENA sisemoyeni ngoyasibona nasi sisinyusiwe semoyeni shota sishaya umuntu ebusweni asiyazi basizawubetha abantu. We are going to a break. When we come back, uli uzanzisela best friend ubestie otyukya komnye umjita. Kunzima, we coming back. Danko. Siphinde sabuya nalo 100% wejuice. Bethuna like kunzima. I don't have a lot to say. As best as vile story apa. If I was fang story and usandofika apa, usisi lona uxelela boyfriend yakhe ba ana ngoku lento yam now nidiniwe iyo, like I'm seeing someone else, and that someone else is the boyfriend's bestie. Imagine. But ke asizotini, I understand my brother. I really feel you, my brother. So without further ado, my sisi best friends izamile umkhangela semfumane kanimzise le ezandleni le mzise Molo puti. Ukrent? Nam di krent puti man. Ikama ngba? Tanz. Okay. Tanz man. I'm sure you recognize these people.
Yeah, that's my homeboy.
Funny medisa.
Imona dintsanga wena. So to get us phinya dintsanga.
I'm recognized this.
Yeah. She's
just imagine kancane nje I understand you're angry. I feel like the only way you're going to get to the bottom of this is through talking and logic, yabo.
Yeah,
like if usiyalwa and the anger is high and all that stuff. What happened is usibhalele wasixela what's going on, that she's been seeing you understand, and she said that she's been seeing you, and she told her boyfriend that akasamfuna boyfriend bambetha STENA and she wants you now. You understand?
Yo. I thought this was supposed to be a secret between her and I. So I don't understand why. Can't you understand? I thought sikhulumile inja muslepeka manje. There's like a whole lot of tension between him and I.
I expect you keep it for a secret for until.
Yeah, my man, what we had was good. I mean.
So why go dintsha mfethu ke fitile pating ke o tshela go ke gelwa ka, then after go etsa khetse o tshuna so amagalwana o krele mfethu after like
mfethu mamela sikele ntwana floor but eba
then umpintsha ka mfethu
mamela ntjaka kora iphathile
amaga baby wa umpetsa sona
sit aside ngathi kuzaba kubi chopha
kona ngasinketse so
kancane nje
wathi badintitse ovasa ke revela rashova ka dimedi vele ne ngitshela go ramile ga go
mara go tshetse go ke gelwa ka
yeah ke ka vele ke gelwa ga
ka mne ke chance explain give me a chance
vele go gelwa ga go mnati and then unzembo in bed and all that, that's all. So no sali mfethu and then also an opportunity over as one now ke stock mfethu wena no come chief
mara mfethu wa utshuna so mfethu ka se tshune da
ngibata fela o yona go utla fela gore ke la ga go vele ke ntsono yicho, and one thing led to the next. Then,
so what I'm getting is this Lomjita, he keeps on telling you how far his girl is in bed, and then when you wanted to test drive,
I wanted to know what it's like.
And stuff. So when
you can't be mad when you have no right to be mad in this situation. Why did you, even if you told him what?
Magwata go ke chomi ya ka moswa ya ko eno lo go bala le ena mfethu o sanchele straight go sharp ka nna ke move on ka lafe magalwana wa nkhawata
mfethu so tamano ka bantwana
ntse we tshuna nga
so we get gelwa properly mfethu gore overs this is supposed to be a secret ntwana I blind ninja
ane go tshepi
so let me ask so would you like to still continue nalomntana nosisilo?
I don't think so, because go gidlile best friend tak
that's good. So what's going to happen to the friendship?
Ngiyawukhansela mfethu. Awusale impintshaka from now on.
You my homie, dog. You my homie. Bros before.
Homie yaka mfethu. Homie yanye ngidlane ke.
Mara kiche, dog. Iche.
Go tell everything mfethu mara
Let
ushina so amakulona bibi
me
utasetse
just point
sona.
out something to do. Do you see the difference between these people I've just observed? This one cares and this one doesn't really care. Do you understand? Are you sure this is what you want to do with him? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You want to leave him for him? Do you see like the way he operates? It's like he does not care. You don't think you're gonna be played?
But then the way I'm passing a corner,
It's better than here.
Yes.
Okay. One thing I just want to ask, like, the question, like, how is their sex performances? Who performs better?
Him.
So don't laugh, dog. Don't laugh. It's very terrible. Wait. So what's going on? Like, can you explain further what he's doing wrong? You don't know what I say with sex.
Like my sakale relationship things were going fine. Maybe I see an effort about it. But then as time goes by, no, akasang the thing ifunayo like sekala sekuyapora yabo and akafuna explore ezinye izinto and anyesibhizi senza into one relationship.
So when you want new things, new lengths, new sizes.
Exactly, lezinto umngane wakhe anginika zona.
All right, now I understand. Look at how he's chilling and looking at you, mfana. It's all good. What I can say, what I can say. Brother man, let me just ask you this question.
Yeah.
Do you want to date this girl?
Well, to be honest, I'm actually I don't know what to say because this caught me by surprise. I didn't actually expect her to dish out the information, good brother man, because he's my home. This was supposed to be like a one-time thing. Nah, chill. Which I'm just trying to explain. You know, I really do want to keep my homie, but at the same time, I get to explore bondage and things like that with the, with the chick, and it's all good, bro. I don't want to lie. Like it's something that I do want to, but at the same time, I don't want to ruin my relationship with the homie.
It's already
but
ruined,
what's done is done, man, and there's nothing we could do.
I understand. I really do understand. So my sister, this guy is saying it's fine, Ebo. So my brother, I really appreciate the fact that you are not trying to persuade a relationship with her anymore, because in let me just paint the picture of what happened for you. Can you paint the picture? They met at the party, ne? And then after meeting at the party, they went to his place and started talking. Yeah. They started talking and one thing led to another. Wait, let me paint for you this picture. Wait, let me paint this picture. One thing led to another. You understand? Sure. After one thing led to another, ukhona between bona oqhaqhe condom wayifaka if they use the condom, you understand? And then this nigga, he put it in wayifaka. My poma, your girlfriend put it back in again. Do you understand? You can never go back to that, my brother. I really appreciate the fact that you're not going back. My poma, like I really appreciate that you're not going back. As long as you understand, every time something tells you go back there, think about that. Think of how yaphuma waphinda wayifaka ngokwakhe engafoswanga ngobhuti. You understand? So I'm shocked. I don't even know what's going on. Like inhliziyo yami ibetha phezulu. I really appreciate you guys for coming, Sisi. Thank you very much for coming through and telling me this. And I hope a relationship here will work. I don't know about your friendship with your homie. I don't know how it's gonna go. My brother, find someone that will appreciate the effort that you have. When I'm fair to, I wish you all the best. It was yet another episode of STENA. Big X is chilling. You've been watching. Till next time. Sapinas Bonan. Dango.